Hey, it's Christina with Tinagirl Travels. We're here at the Marina Tower Hotel in Stockholm, Sweden. Let's head on in and have a look. Before we do that, let's talk about this incredible building. The Elite Hotel Marina Tower in Stockholm was originally a mill for processing grains, specifically a flour mill. The building, located by the waterfront area, was part of an industrial complex that dates back to the late 19th century. It was used for milling and storing grain before being transformed into this luxury hotel. The reason we chose the Marina Tower Hotel was because of its proximity to the Viking Line ferry that runs between Helsinki and Stockholm. This is how close the hotel is to the terminal. I loved that it was a waterfront hotel with quick ferry access to downtown. All those lines in the water show where the ferries run, and I'll get into more detail on that later in the video. We actually were able to walk from the ferry terminal to the hotel. We were here in August, so the weather was nice, and it was only a 15-minute walk covering 1.2 kilometers. If you're not into walking, you can take a short taxi ride, not a problem. The Elite Hotel Marina Tower is a 4-star hotel. There are 186 rooms. The hotel offers a spa and a gym. Unfortunately, the gym was closed for renovations when we were there, so I can't show that to you. Check-in starts at 3 and check-out is at 11. We arrived at about 10:30 a.m. because we came in on that ferry. They have a large storage room for luggage right near the check-in desk. We were able to drop off our bags and go enjoy our day and come back later to check into our room. Our room was located on the 6th floor, room 629. I must have been feeling a little frugal when I booked this room, and unfortunately I didn't splash out for the water view room. If you check their website, you'll see they have some really unique rooms to choose from. Let's have a look at our room. This room was actually really nice and quiet, and you know what, pretty spacious for a European hotel room. On the desk you'll find plugs, an electric kettle, mugs, coffee and tea, and there's a flat screen TV on the wall. The bed was comfortable. There were plugs by the bed as well. Inside the bathroom there was a nice solid surface countertop with a vessel sink. In the bathtub you're going to find a handheld shower head with a thermostatically controlled faucet. There's shampoo, shower gel, and conditioner, which is so great. And a heated towel rack. I love those. You'll also find a blow dryer and a standard vanity kit with soap, lotion, and a sewing kit right beside the sink. Right across from the bathroom is a cabinet. Inside are some robes. There's an ironing board and an iron inside this one. And on the other side, you're going to find a safe for all your valuables. Below that is a little mini fridge. It's so tiny and cute, but look at the yummy snacks inside. I want that Toblerone bar. And below that is a little bottle of red wine and 2 glasses. Beside that closet is actually this little space where you can put your suitcase. Just a little close-up of the kettle in the room and the 2 plugs that are right there. Also the plug beside the bed with a light switch. And this is the type of heating that's in the room, so it's heating and air conditioning, and it was very quiet. This is the view from our room. No water view, but it's still quite pretty. Let's head on down and check out breakfast. So breakfast from Monday to Friday is open at 6:30 to 9:30, and Saturday and Sunday 7 a.m. till 11. I love the breakfast in European hotels, and let me tell you, you're not going to want to miss breakfast at this hotel. Breakfast is served every morning in the elegant SQ bar and restaurant. The buffet is extensive, featuring a wide selection of dishes to suit every taste. So whether you prefer a classic continental breakfast, a Scandinavian style, vegetarian, vegan, or even a hearty full English, you'll find it all here. The dining room is actually very spacious with lots of areas to sit, but during the summer months you can actually enjoy your breakfast outside, taking in that stunning sea view, and it's a perfect start to your day in Stockholm. This hotel might seem like it's really out of the way, but let me tell you, it isn't. When you're ready to explore the city, getting there is super easy. Just steps from the hotel, you'll find the ferry that takes you directly into the heart of Stockholm. Stockholm's public transit system uses the SL app, Stockholm's local traffic. With this app, you can plan your journey across buses, trains, trams, and ferries. You can buy and store digital tickets, get real-time departure information, you can track service disruptions, and you can download it on both iOS and Android. It's the easiest way to navigate Stockholm's public transport, including the ferry from Elite Hotel Marina Tower into the city. You just tap your app and board. The ferry service near the Elite Hotel Marina Tower operates daily with departures approximately every 30 minutes. The first ferry departs around 7:16 a.m. and the last ferry leaves at approximately 11:35 p.m. The schedules can vary sometimes, so be sure to check the SL app. The parking at this hotel is a little convoluted. It's located on levels 11 and 12, but not actually in the hotel. It's behind the hotel. They'll explain it to you at the front desk. I hope my video answered your questions. Do me a favor, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and ring that bell so you won't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. I'll add links to this hotel in the description below. Here are some videos you might like to watch next. Thanks for watching Tinagirl Travels, and I'll see you again soon.